Introduction. Hey, connect to World Pals. Today, let's explore the term hold up. It's not just about pausing. There's more to this phrase. Let's dive into the dynamic world of delays, interruptions, and unexpected moments. Meaning. So, hold up can mean to pause or delay, often due to an unexpected obstacle or interruption. It's a phrase used in various situations to signify a temporary stop or hindrance. Usage. Imagine saying, hold up, in a conversation to address a point, or experiencing a hold-up in traffic due to construction. Examples. Think of a hold-up in a project timeline, or a comedic hold-up in a movie where characters face an unexpected challenge. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's hold, a term that captures the idea of a momentary pause or obstacle, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hold-up alarms in security systems? They're designed to alert authorities in case of emergencies or unexpected situations. Conclusion. If the concept of hold up resonates with your experiences of navigating through unexpected pauses, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more dynamic word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.